So a candid moment where a proud grandfather shared a ritual of his granddaughter has turned into a political controversy. Actor Sunil Shetty, while speaking to Navika Kumar in Baate Dil Se podcast, shared some adorable insights into the bond that he has with his granddaughter and shared a moment, a personal moment about his granddaughter which involves Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He shared that once his nanny told the 15-month-old toddler about Prime Minister Modi, and since then she has a ritual of offering sweets to the Prime Minister's photograph. Sunil Shetty then added that nobody asked the child to do so, but she does it on her own. He went on to express his admiration for the Prime Minister and said that he's always been a fan of PM Modi as a leader. He said, as a leader, the Prime Minister excites him. He also spoke about how India's global stature has risen after the Prime Minister came to power. So, picking up that podcast clip, the Congress is reacting. But before we get you those reactions, before we get you the political, back and forth that's happening, let's listen into that clip that has now gone viral on social media.
पर लोग कहते हैं कि ये मोदी ईरा में ही दिस हाइपर नेशनलिज्म शुरू हुआ है।
मैम क्यों नहीं अगर कोई आपको याद दिलाता है कि आपकी हिस्ट्री क्या है और आप कहां से आते हो और आपकी बुनियाद क्या है, आपके रूट्स क्या है, क्यों नहीं? Why won't I do it? I've always said I'm a huge fan of his. You know, I'm not talking about a party. I'm talking about a leader. If a leader excites me, it excites me. As much as I love my country, I love that man. There is something about him. आप मानोगे नहीं, मेरी पोती 15 महीनों की है, हर रोज सुबह. And somebody had told her, Modi ji, that's it. One photograph somewhere, one of her nannies, airport के वहां उन्होंने दिखाया. आज हर रोज सुबह आती है, एक साई बाबा का बुक है जिसमें मोदी जी की फोटो है, बड़ी फोटो है, वो उसे खोलती है, मोदी जी बोलती है, गणपति की मूर्ति के पास जाती है, वहां लड्डू मेक बिलीव लड्डू लेके आती है और उनको खिलाती है. अब मैंने नहीं बोला है उसको, ना ही उसके माँ ने बोला है, ना ही उसके नैनी ने बोला. नैनी ने सिर्फ बोला मोदी जी. कुछ तो होगा ना, कुछ तो है. और वो अकेली बच्ची नहीं है. I know my other
15 महीने से लेकर 65 years तक.
Absolutely.
He's captured.
Absolutely. And nobody, we've not said a word about him or anything. Modi ji, she will say. So what is it? There is something magical about him. And I think the magic with me started when I met him first in Ahmedabad. I had gone for some work and say 11 o'clock was the time, and there's this door. I didn't realize there was another door there, and I was waiting, and I said, okay, 11 o'clock, and bam, the door opened. Shetty ji, boliye. I think 2010 or something like that.
Achha.
And boliye. And I didn't know how to react. Straight look in the eye. Perfect. The people who had come, after the meeting was done, he said, okay, all done, thank you very much. Left, and then he spoke to me about just life and a few things. And I was in total awe. So, it's a human being who's made an impact. और मैं यही बोलता हूँ ना, आज आप अमेरिका जाओ, लंदन जाओ, यूरोप जाओ, इंडियन.
आपको लगता है फर्क पड़ा?
बहुत फर्क पड़ा हुआ, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ा हुआ, बहुत ज्यादा. आप G7 में देखिए ही ना, बोलने की बात छोड़िए, ऑडियो बंद कर दीजिए. I'm a visual medium guy. Cinema for me is visual medium. Sound तो बाद में आया, टॉकी थी भी नहीं. आप साउंड निकालिए और आप विजुअली देखिए, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझ लीजिए आप.
So now, you can watch the entire podcast on Times Now's YouTube page. But before that, viewers, let's tell you about the politics that's playing out. Picking up on that very clip, which has now gone viral on social media, Congress Party's Kerala unit is mocking the actor on X. They are calling it Padma-level sycophancy. And they are claiming that since most of Sunil Shetty's contemporaries got a Padma award, this possibly is the only way to get it. Hitting back at the Congress Party, the BJP is calling out the Congress. They're saying that the Congress now and its ecosystem is not even sparing a 15-month-old toddler. BJP is saying that the ecosystem is trolling a child, and it's the same party which once encouraged children to raise anti-national slogans. So this is the kind of back and forth that's happening. The Congress is calling this sycophancy. The BJP is hitting back at the Congress, saying that even a toddler now is not being spared by the Congress and its ecosystem.
सुनील शेट्टी जो बहुत ही मशहूर कलाकार एक्टर हैं, उन्होंने एक बड़ी हार्ट वार्मिंग स्टोरी शेयर की। वो स्वयं मोदी जी के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं। उन्होंने ये बताया, पूरे देश की जनता ही है, इसलिए 3 बार चुनाव जीते हैं वो, परंतु उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे उनकी जो ग्रैंड डॉटर है, जो महज 15 महीने की 16 महीने की है, के राहुल और अथिया शेट्टी की जो बेटी है, वो भी मोदी जी से इतना प्रेम करती है, इतना प्यार करती है कि वो मोदी जी चांट भी करती है, और जैसे बच्चे करते हैं वो प्यार दुलार भी दिखाती है मोदी जी के प्रति, उनके फोटो के प्रति। इस बात को तो बड़े इनोसेंटली लेना चाहिए। कुछ लोग उस छोटी बच्ची को भी ट्रोल कर रहे हैं।
The Congress ecosystem hates the people of India. The Congress party has started to attack Sunil Shetty just because Sunil Shetty in an interview with Times Now expressed that his 15-month-old granddaughter likes Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Priyanka Vadra and Rahul Gandhi, who speak about loving the people of India, where has the love gone? This exposes the Congress party and has clearly mentioned that the Congress hates people of India and only likes the Parivar. This is what Congress truly stands for. Recall the emergency where the Congress, in order to save the Parivar, had attacked the people of India.
Rashid Alvi of the Congress party is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Alvi, good morning. Sunil Shetty, actor, prominent citizen of this country. In an interview to Navika Kumar in Baatein Dil Se podcast, he shared an anecdote about his 15-month-old granddaughter. What's wrong with it?
You know, personally, we have no objection. Anybody can do anything. There are so many people in this country who are doing puja before God say also. So we have no objection. But important thing is, they are insulting basically God.
They are insulting? I'm sorry, who are they insulting, Mr. Alvi?
First of all, we have to decide. Narendra Modi is a human being or he is Almighty God. Why? If parents, it is absolutely fault on the part of parents. They should teach a lesson to their daughter that Narendra Modi is a human being. He is Prime Minister. We have respect. We also have respect. I have respect because he is Prime Minister of our country. But it doesn't mean tomorrow.
So
some
if
people
an
may
actor,
go
Mr.
before
Alvi, if an actor shares an anecdote about his 15-month-old granddaughter and shares a personal anecdote, why is that being used to, one, troll the actor, ascribe motive? And there are members in this very ecosystem who are also going after that child. How is that justified?
Listen to me. I allow you. You can also go before Narendra Modi. I have no objection if you are supporting her. What I am saying, it is 15 years old, bachchi.
15-month-old.
So how can you justify it?
But it is a moment that an actor shared. It is just a moment that an actor shared in a podcast. It's a personal moment that has happened in this family, that has been shared and that has been made public by an actor. My question is, what is the reason behind this kind of vicious trolling? Why should a child be targeted in the way? And then it is being said, the Congress party says that this is Padma level sycophancy.
Yeah, definitely it is sycophancy. First of all, your child is doing a wrong thing. Number two, you are propagating it.
Your child is doing wrong. So now this is being, so now value judgments are being passed on a 15-month-old child's, gesture. And number two, the child is being trolled by a political party that in itself has gone all out for its own leaders. Have we forgotten that Congress is the same party where there was a narrative that was spread in the past in this country's history? Indira is equal to India. Congress and Rahul Gandhi is called, Jannayak, Thalaiva, multiple brandings given to him. The chief ministers of Congress ruled states use terms like Bhakta, Bhagavanta, and that is not sycophancy.
You are unable to understand between the difference of Jan Nayak and God.
I want to understand
Rahul
something
Gandhi,
from you,
nobody
Mr.
says Rahul
Alvi.
Gandhi
I
is
want
a
to
god.
understand something from you.
He says
So
that he is
anybody
the
who
leader
praises
of
the
the
Prime
people.
Minister,
He's the leader of the
anybody who shares a personal anecdote about what they feel about the Prime Minister, they are all eyeing Padma Awards.
We have no objection. They can do, the entire family can bow before Narendra Modi. It is not important, but it is wrong. It is absolutely wrong.
And when there are accusations
There are
of the
so many
entire
people who
Congress
are
party bowing
praying
before one Parivar, that is right?
God say.
The counter allegation that comes your way, Mr. Alvi, from your, from the Bharatiya Janata Party is this, that in the Congress party in itself, there are leaders who thrive only after they bow before one family, that is the Gandhi family.
I'm sorry. I do not know how long you people can go.
All right.
You are justifying that a child is praying before Narendra Modi. You are justifying.
And you are justifying the vicious trolling
anchor.
of a child. And you are justifying the vicious trolling of a child on social media. The fact that everybody is pouncing and passing value judgments on a child, that is justified.
Are you also interested to pray before the picture of Narendra Modi?
Mr. Alvi,
If you are supporting
Mr. Alvi, no, 1 second. Mr. Alvi, first of all, there are questions that the media will ask. Are you justifying the kind of trolling that is happening of a child? If you are justifying that, then I don't think, then if an actor has shared a personal moment about his family, and for that, if a child is being trolled, and if the Congress party justifies it, then it is for the people of this country to see. But thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. So you saw that reaction that's coming in from the Congress party. The clip, since it went viral, has generated a lot of conversation. The most objectionable part of the conversation that has been generated is the way the child is being trolled by a certain ecosystem. There is this political back and forth that is happening constantly. But Sabyasachi, let me come back to you. We've seen reactions coming in from both the Congress and the BJP. But if you could just break down the level of reactions coming in, one, from the Congress party, Padma level sycophancy, and many other things. But like we've been saying, the most objectionable part in this entire story is the way in which this particular ecosystem is going after a 15-month-old child.
Well, that's right. It's absolutely shocking the way the Congress ecosystem is going after the 15-old child. And see, the BJP here has been pointing out that the Congress party does not have the appetite, or they does not have tolerance level for any genuine appreciation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They have appetite or tolerance level for criticism against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the way the Congress party and its ecosystem have attacked Mr. Sunil Shetty as well as the 15-month-old child is absolutely shocking. And the Congress, in fact, several of the Congress leaders have come out and they have tried to justify the remark that have come in from the Kerala Congress unit. And the Congress party have been calling it a severe level of flattery to gain favor. So they have been saying that in the past also several Bollywood celebrities
in the recent
have
past,
praised
Sabyasachi, if we go by the logic of the Congress party, that anybody who praises the Prime Minister or shows their admiration for the Prime Minister is branded a sycophant. In the recent past, we saw what the President of United States had to say. Now, will the Congress party say that even he's eyeing a Padma? Only, yesterday we saw what Marco Rubio said, that we are enormous fans of India, of the Prime Minister. Will they also cast aspersions there? So this is a debate that is now thrown wide open. Thank you so much, Sabyasachi, for joining us on this broadcast. With that, it's time for us viewers to slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.